Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of precision cutting tools, specifically highlighting the best molding shears on the market. The GARTOL Ratchet Miter Shears. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional craftsman, you'll want to stick around because these shears might just revolutionize your cutting experience. The GARTOL Ratchet Miter Shears are designed for angular cutting, making them perfect for molding, crafting, shoe molding, and quarter-round cutting. With a sleek design and a versatile cutting range, they can adjust between 45 and 135 degrees, allowing for precision cuts at various angles. What sets these shears apart is their two-stage cutting mechanism. You can easily switch between incremental mode and continuous mode. In incremental mode, you get a gradual cut with minimal blade rebound. This feature ensures a clean, precise cut every time. The continuous mode, on the other hand, offers increased shearing force, making it easy to slice through tougher materials. Speaking of materials, these shears can handle a wide range. The high-quality SK5 steel blade is perfect for cutting soft wood, PVC strips, chamfers, quarter-round moldings, and more. However, keep in mind that they're not designed for metal cutting. So, if you're working on a project that involves metal, you might need a different tool. Now, let's talk about precision. The GARTOL shears come with a high-precision scale anvil made from durable aluminum alloy. It features incised markings for angles like 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees, 105 degrees, 120 degrees, and 135 degrees. The quick angle adjustments are facilitated by strategically placed holes next to the markings, ensuring that you can lock in your desired angle securely. Comfort is key when working with any hand tool, and these shears deliver. The ergonomic soft anti-slip handle ensures a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue even during prolonged use. Whether you're left or right-handed, the design accommodates all users, and the safety lock allows for secure closure and storage after each cut. One of the standout features of the GARTOL shears is the quick and easy blade change. Each pair comes with a replacement SK5 blade and a protective sheath, ensuring safety during blade changes and storage. This means you can get back to your project with minimal downtime. In summary, the GARTOL Ratchet Miter Shears are not just tools, they're an investment in precision, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're cutting molding for a home improvement project or tackling crafting tasks, these shears are equipped to handle it all efficiently. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique today. If you're looking for a reliable pair of molding shears, I highly recommend giving the GARTOL Ratchet Miter Shears a try. Make sure to check them out in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful reviews and product critiques. See you in the next video.